Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. Friends, today's questions: how to free from doubts, how to free from stress, how to free from mental depression. Sri Krishna, the Supreme Personality of Godhead, said, "Now hear, O son of Parth, how by practicing yoga in full consciousness of me, with mind attached to me, you can know me in full free from doubts." In the 7th chapter of Bhagavad Gita, the nature of Krishna consciousness is fully described. Krishna is full in all, absolutely. How he manifests such opulence and described herein. Also, 4 kinds of fortunate people who become attached to Krishna, and 4 kinds of unfortunate people who never take to Krishna are described in this chapter. The 7th chapter of Bhagavad Gita says too. In first 6th chapter of Bhagavad Gita, the living entity has been described, and non-material spirit soul capable elevate himself to self-realization by direct type of yogas. At the end of the 6th chapter, it has been clearly stated that the steady concentration of the mind upon Krishna, in other words, Krishna consciousness, is the highest from of all yoga. By concentrating one's mind upon Krishna, one is able to know the absolute truth completely, but not otherwise. Impressional Brahma Jyoti as localized Paramatma realized is not perfect knowledge of the absolute truth, because it is partial, full and scientific knowledge is Krishna, and everything revealed to the persons in Krishna consciousness. In complete Krishna consciousness, one know that Krishna is ultimate knowledge beyond any doubts. Different types of yoga are only stepping on the path of Krishna consciousness. One who take directly to Krishna consciousness automatically knows about yoga. One can know everything is full, namely the absolute truth, the living initial, the material nature and manifestations are with performance. Our should therefore begin yoga by practice as directed in the last verse of the 6th chapter of connection. Concentration of the mind upon Krishna, the different Krishna, the Supreme, is made possible by prescribed devotional service in mind, different forms of which Sarvanams in the first and most important. The Lord therefore says to Arjun, take churn or hear from me. सुनो, मेरी बात सुनो. Hear me. No one can be greater authority than Krishna, and therefore by hearing from him one receives the greatest opportunity to become a perfect Krishna consciousness person. One who therefore to learn from Krishna directly or from pure devotee of Krishna, and not from a non-devotee upstart puffed up with academic education. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, this process of understanding Krishna, the Supreme Personality of Godhead, to absolute truth is described in this second chapter of the first canto follows. Jnanam te aham savijnanamidam vakshalyamya शेषतः यज्मात्वा नेहं भूयो अन्यज्ञात व्यावमयशिष्यते. How I shall now declare into you in full this knowledge, both personal, both phenomenal and numinous. The being knows nothing future, nothing further shall remain for you to know. Complete knowledge includes knowledge of the world, the spirit behind it, the source of both of them. This is transcendental knowledge. The Lord wants to explain the above mentioned system of knowledge because Arjuna is Krishna's confidential devotee and friend. In the beginning of the fourth chapter, this explanation was given by Lord and again confirmed here. Complete knowledge can be achieved only by devotee of the Lord in disciplic succession directly from the Lord. Therefore, one should be intelligent enough to know the source of knowledge, all knowledge, who is the cause of all cause and the only object for meditation in all type of yoga practice. When the cause of all cause become known, then everything knowledge become known and nothing remain unknown. The Veda say Krishna Bhagavatam Sarvan Yadim, that's etc. Manusyanang sahasra kastidyatati siddhyate yata tamami siddha siddhanang kaschinmang veting tatvatah. Means out of many thousands among men, one may endeavor for perfection, and those who have achieved perfection hardly one knows me in truth. There are various grades of men. Out of many thousands person, one may be sufficiently interested in transcendental realization to try to know that it is self, in the self, what is the body and what is absolute truth. Generally, mankind is simply engaged in the animal propensities, namely eating, sleeping, defending, and mating, and hardly anyone is interested the transcendental knowledge. The first six chapters of the Gita are mean for those who are interested the transcendental knowledge in understanding the self to super self and the process of realization by Jnana Yoga, Dhyan Yoga, and discrimination of the self from matter. However, Krishna can be known only by person who are in Krishna consciousness. Other transcendentalists may achieve impressional Brahman realization. For this is assist then understanding Krishna. See, Krishna is the supreme person, but at the same time he beyond the knowledge of Brahman and Brahma Paramatma. The yogis and jnanists are confused in the attempt to understand Krishna, although the greatest of the impersonalists, spirited Shankaracharya has admitted in his Gita community that Krishna is the Supreme Personality of Godhead. His followers do not accept Krishna as such, for it is very difficult to know Krishna even though one has transcendental realization of impressional Brahman. Next, Bhumi Rapo Annalo Vayu Khang Mano Buddhirevacha Ahankara Itiya Me Bhinna Prakritira Stridha. That means earth, water, fire, air, either mind, intelligence of false ego, all together these 8 continues my spirited material interguise the science of God analyzed to constitutional position of God and his diverse energy. Material nature is called Prakriti, or the energy of the Lord in his different Purusha. In consultation, impaction, in described the 7th Tantra, the for material creation, Lord Krishna plenary expansions assume three verse, three Vishnus. The first one, Mahavishnu, created to total material energy known as Mahavishnu, Mahatattva. The second Vishnu entered into the universe to create diverse side of each them. The third Krishna Vishnu is diffused all the providing supreme soul all the universe and known as Paramatma. He is present even within the atoms. Anyone who knows these the three Vishnu can be liberated from material engagement, interglements. The material world is temporary manifestation of all the energies of the Lord. All the activities of the material world are directed by the three Vishnu explained of Lord Krishna. These Purusha are called incantation. Generally, one who does not know the science of God, Krishna, assume that this material world is for anyone of living initial, and that the living entities are the purpose, Purusha, and the causes, controlled, and enjoyers of the material energy. According to Bhagavad Gita, this aesthetic conclusion is false. The verse under this discussion in the stated that Krishna is the original cause of the material manifestation. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, Bhagavatam also confirmed this. The ingredients of the material manifestation are separated energy of the Lord. Even the Bhagavad is Brahma Jyoti, which is the ultimate goal of the impersonalist, is a spiritual energy manifested in the spiritual sky. There are no spiritual diversities in the Brahma Jyoti as there is in the Vaikuntha Lokas, and the impersonalists accept the Brahma Jyoti as the ultimate internal goal. The Paramatma main manifestation is also temporary, all perversized except of the Vishnu. The Paramatma manifestation is internal, the spiritual world. Therefore, the actual absolute truth in the Supreme Personality of Godhead Krishna. He is the complete energetic person and processed, different, separated and internal energy. The material energy, the principal manifestation are 8 as above maintained. Out these first 5 manifestations, namely earth, water, fire, air and sky, are called the 5 genetic creation of the gross creation, within which the 5 objects of include. They are the manifestations of physical sound, touch, from taste and smell. Material science comprised these 10 items and nothing more, but the other 3 items, namely mind, intelligence and false ego, are neglected by the materialist philosophers who did with mental activities are also not perfect in knowledge, because they do not know the ultimate source Krishna, the false ego, I am and I is mine. It is mine, which constitute the basic principle of the material existence, includes 10 cents against for material activities. Intelligence refers to the total material creation called the Mahatattva. Therefore, from the 8 separated energies of the Lord are manifest the 24 elements of the material world, which are the subject matter of Sankhya, active aesthetics, philosophy. They are originally offshoot from Krishna energy. Next, अपरेयमितस्त्वन्या प्रकृति विद्धि मे पराम जीवभूतां महाबाहो यजेदेव धर्यते जगत. Means, beside these all might arm Arjuna, there is another spiritual energy of mind which comprised living initial who are exploiting resources, the material if nature. Here is clearly mentions that living initiated belong the superior nature. The Supreme Lord energy is the matter manifested different elements, namely earth, water, fire, air, either mind, intelligence of false ego, both from material nature, namely gross, earth, the subtle mind are products of the inferior energy, the living entity who are exploiting this inferior energy for different purpose are the superior energy of the Supreme Lord, and it is due to this energy that entire material world functions. The cosmic manifestation has no power to act unless is moved the superior energy. Next, etadyoníni bhutani sarvagunityupadharaya ahankritsanasya jagatah prabhava pralaytastatha. All created beings have their source in these two natures. All of that is material and all that is spiritual in this world. Known for certain that I am both the original and the dissolution and purpose of knowledge, manifestation of gigantic universe and developed because of the persons of the super soul Vishnu. Next, matah paratarah nanyakti chintadasti dhananjaya mai sarvamidang protah sutre manigana itivam. O conqueror of wealth, there no truth superior to me. Everything rests upon me as pearls of strung on a thread. There is a common controversy over whether supreme absolute truth is personal, impressional. As far as Bhagavad Gita is concerned, So far as the Bhagavad Gita is concerned, the absolute truth, the personality of Godhead, Sri Krishna, and this is confirmed in every step. In this verse, the particular it is stressed that absolute truth is a person, that the personality of Godhead is the supreme absolute truth, is also affirmation of the Brahma Smitha. The supreme absolute truth personality of Godhead, Lord Krishna, who is the primeval Lord, the reservoir of all pleasure, Govinda, and internal from complete bliss and knowledge. These authorized live to know about the absolute truth is the supreme person. Next, पुण्यो गंधा पृथिव्या च तेजस्व वैभावशो जीवनं सर्वभूतेषु तपश्चस्मि तपस्विषु. I am the original fragrance of the earth, and I am the heart in fire, heat in fire, am the life of these leaves, and I am permanence of all exist. Punya means that which composed. Punya is original. Everything is material world has a certain flavor for grass, and as the flower for grass in a flower, on the earth, in water, in fire, in air it is. The eco-contaminated flavor, the original flavor, which permanent, everything is Krishna. Similarly, everything has a particular original state, tasted. The taste can be changed by the mixture of chemical. So everything original has some fragrance and some taste. Vishnu means fire. Without fire we cannot run factors, we cannot cook, etc. And that first fire is Krishna. The heat in the fire is Krishna. According to Vedic medicine, due to low temperature in the belly, so even so digestion fire in the needed. Krishna consciousness we become aware that earth, water, fire, air, and every active principle of all chemical and all material elements. That means पांच तत्व, क्षिति जल पावक गगन, पांच तत्व से बना ये धरती. That's all. We are chanting Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. That's all. Good evening, my friends.